Everyone, 2022 Hyundai Tucson. We're going to be changing the battery out here, so it looks a little bit more confusing than it actually is. Really, it's about 3 steps. What we're going to do is we're going to loosen this negative up first. 10 millimeter wrench, so loosen that one up. We're going to remove it, and we'll set that the side. So like I said, you always want to do that first. Same thing with this one. This is 10 millimeter. We're gonna take that off, stick it to the side, and then we're gonna loosen this bolt up as well, which is 12 millimeter. Let's see if I can work this thing out. All right, I ended up completely taking that piece out there. This should slide back a little, and we can pull it up and out. All right, we'll set that to the side. We got this nice sleeve here, and we'll put our new one in place and slide it back in, and I'll show y'all what that looks like in just a sec. All right, so now that I've slid it back in, we got to put this piece back here, and this right here just kind of catches the side lip of that battery, which is under here. So just hand screw it in a little bit. All right, finally. Next thing, we'll put this back the way we got it. Put our 10 millimeter socket back on and tighten this one up. I didn't show it before, but you want to make sure this is pretty sturdy. All right, last bit. I'm gonna try to get this off. Use a little elbow grease and twist it off. And we'll put this one back in here. Get it snug and we're good to go.